Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So one of the questions that was asked of one of our salesmen is, when's the best time to do foundation repairs on your home? Well, believe it or not, it's not like planting a flower or plant or anything like that. So it doesn't matter what time of year is the best time. What matters is when it's convenient for you, or when you can no longer live with the home failing or cracks showing back up, or the feeling of walking down slope when you're going to a portion of your house. So ultimately it depends on you, and when that straw that's going to break the camel's back goes ahead and gets it done and gets us a call, calls us to get a free estimate, and then we can help you out from there. And that there is your foundation repair tip of the day.